Pakistan is on dash number to control economy during COVID-19. Third, first पे जो हांगकांग है, second पे न्यूजीलैंड है. हांगकांग, न्यूजीलैंड and Pakistan. Idi statue is installed in which city on his 5th death anniversary? Quetta. Which country's former president is imprisoned for 15 months due to contempt of court on 29 June 2021? जैकब ज़ुमा, साउथ अफ्रीका के ये प्रेसिडेंट हैं थे. 2021 कोपा अमेरिका फुटबॉल चैंपियनशिप is held in Brazil, which is won by Argentina. First commercial high court is inaugurated in which city? Lahore. AJK elections were held on 25 July 2021 in 45 constituencies. PTI won how many seats there? 26 seats. How many seats of refugees are located all over Pakistan in AJK elections 2021? 12 seats. Dash elected as third speaker of Gilgit-Baltistan on 26 November 2020. Sayyid Amjad Zaidi. Current Deputy Speaker of Gilgit-Baltistan, Deputy Nazir Ahmed. Who is Speaker of AJK Assembly, Azad Jammu Kashmir Assembly? Anwarul Haq. Who is Deputy Speaker of Azad Jammu Kashmir Assembly? Riaz Gujar. Who is elected as 13 PM of the AJK? Abdul Qayyum Nayazi. Which country stood first and second in the medal list of Tokyo Olympics 2020? नंबर जो 1 पे हैं वो यूएस से है विद 113 टोटल मेडल्स एंड इसमें जो 39 है वो गोल्ड मेडल्स हैं और सेकंड पे चाइना है विद टोटल ऑफ 88 मेडल्स आउट ऑफ विच 38 आर गोल्ड मेडल्स. Tokyo Olympics held from 23rd July 2021 to 8 August 2021. Commonwealth Games 2022 will be held in Birmingham. Who is appointed as new Chief of Army Staff of Afghanistan in August 2021? Haibatullah Khan. Which ship was struck at sea view of Karachi on 21st July 2021? Hang Tong 77. Afghan Taliban seized the Kabul and took over the control on 15 August 2021. MILGEM Project was signed between Pakistan and Turkey in 2018. Under this, how many warships will be built? 4 warships will be built. First warship under MILGEM project was handed over to Pakistan on 15 August 2021. Named the corvette PNS Babur. Which provincial government has planned to launch air ambulance? Punjab. Who is elected as President of AJK, Azad Jammu Kashmir? Sultan Mahmud. Winner of first KPL कश्मीर प्रीमियर लीग रावलाकोट हॉक्स, ये अफरीदी की टीम थी. पाकिस्तान हाई कमिश्नर टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाहिद हफीज चौधरी. Who is appointed new spokesman of Ministry of Foreign Affairs? Asim Iftikhar Ahmed. Who is new PM of Malaysia? Ismail Sabri Yaqub. Who is appointed as new chairman of FBR on 24 August 2021? Dr. Ashfaq Ahmed. who is reappointed as chairman of WAPDA for second term.
आपके लिए ये हमारी व्हाट्सएप सर्विस है। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस पर आपको हम जॉब रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती जाए, कौन सी सीट्स अनाउंस हो रही है, लास्ट डेट क्या है, प्रेपरेशन मेथड क्या है, तो उसके लिए आप हमारा ये जो नंबर स्क्रीन पर शो हो रहा है ये सेव करके, जो इसी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक लिंक अवेलेबल है गूगल डॉक का, वो फिल कर दें, ऑटोमेटिकली आपको हमारे स्टेटस शो होने लग जाएंगे। लेकिन हमारा नंबर लाजमी सेव कीजिएगा, इसके बगैर आपको स्टेटस शो नहीं होंगे।
5 years Muzammil Hussain, which was the first country to roll out 5G technology in 2018? South Korea. Pakistan will launch 5G technology by 2023. Name the Pakistani cricketer to take most wickets in the series of 2 test matches. Shaheen Afridi. Who is going to replace Ehsan Mani as 36th chairman of PCB? ये रिप्लेस हो चुके हैं और आप जानते हैं इस वक्त रमीज राजा हैं PCB के चेयरमैन, और ये 36 चेयरमैन है। ये 36 इसको भी याद रखिएगा, ये एग्जाम में पूछा जा रहा है कितने नंबर है ये रमीज राजा का। Name the military exercise between Pakistan and Kazakhstan which are held at NCTC National Counter-Terrorism Center, Pabbi KPK. Dostaram 3. Name the Pakistani who won Ramon Magsaysay Award for his interest-free microfinance banking. Muhammad Amjad Saqib. America and other forces left Afghanistan on 31st August 2021. First ever Pakistani to win gold medal at Paralympics. Gold medal. Haider Ali from Gujranwala. Mu, a new type of COVID-19 has been observed. It is originated from Colombia. Who has succeeded शहबाज शरीफ as chairman of Public Accounts Committee, यानी कि पब्लिक अकाउंट कमेटी के जो मौजूदा चेयरमैन है वो कौन है? राना तनवीर हुसैन है। ये PMLN के शेखपुरा से हैं, MNA. Who won gold medal at World Beach Wrestling Championship? इनाम बट, ये भी गुजरांवाला से हैं. चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ गिलगित-बल्तिस्तान हाई कोर्ट सैयद अरशद हुसैन शाह. चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ आजाद जम्मू कश्मीर हाई कोर्ट सदाकत हुसैन राजा. चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ आजाद जम्मू कश्मीर सुप्रीम कोर्ट राजा सईद अकरम. चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ बलोचिस्तान हाई कोर्ट नईम अख्तर अफगान. Who won French Open for 4 consecutive years from 2017 to 2020? Rafael Nadal. He is from Spain. Who won 2021 French Open, Australian Open and Wimbledon? Novak Djokovic. He is from Serbia. Who won most titles of Grand Slam? Rafael Nadal and Roger Federer, 2020 times. Islamabad is ranked safest city in the South Asia, second safest city in the South Asia. Which rover has collected the rock sample from Mars for the first time in the history on 1st September 2021? Perservence Rover of USA. Foreign Minister of Russia visited Pakistan on 6 April 2021. There are total dash cantonment boards in which elections are held after 20 years in September 2021. 42 cantonment boards हैं. ये मुझे थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग लग रहा है, अगर ये गलत है तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में लाजमी बता दें आप. Who won 2 gold medals at World Beach Wrestling Championship? Italy and Greece. इनाम बट ने जीते हैं ये गोल्ड मेडल्स. In which village of Pakistan literacy rate is recorded 100%? Rasool Pur, Punjab. Who hosted 20th meeting of SCO Council of Heads of State on 16-17 September 2021? दुशनबे, ताजिकिस्तान. और इमरान खान ने यहाँ पे एड्रेस किया था 17 सितंबर को. At occasion of SCO meeting, PM of Pakistan Imran Khan signed several MOU with President of Tajikistan. Name the President of Tajikistan, Emomali Rehman. Emomali Rehman visited Pakistan on 2 days visit on 2nd June 2021. सीरिया में शाम में 22 साल के बाद PIA की फ्लाइट गई है और उन्हें वाटर गन सल्यूट दिया गया था. In which military exercise Pakistan participated after 2009? It is hosted by Egypt in every 2 years. Bright Star, ये military exercise है. Bright Star. Muhammad Hussain Tantavi, ex-Secretary General of NAM, Field Marshal, politician, a famous leader of Arab Spring, died on 21st September 2021. He belonged to Egypt. Afghanistan Permanent Representative to UNO, Suhail Shaheen. Imran Khan addressed to virtual session of UNO on dash 24 September 2021. Yeah, government erected Qaid statue in dash this year, which is destroyed in suicide attack in September 2021. Gwadar. First Pakistani to scale 9 mountain above the height of 8,000 meters. Sirbaz Khan. Which country in Afghanistan hosted the meeting of spy master on 11 September 2021? Pakistan. Name the new PM of Japan who took oath on October 2021. Fumio Kishida. First country to make movie in space, Russia. Name the first movie to be recorded in space, The Challenge. Who replaced फैज हमीद एज न्यू DGISI? नदीम. ये नैब से रिलेटेड ऑर्डिनेंस है, उसमें जो प्रेसिडेंट अलवी ने अक्टूबर 2021 में इशू किया था. उसमें ये डिस्कशन हुई है कि चेयरमैन नैब कौन अपॉइंट करेगा, उसका टेन्योर क्या होगा. तो ये जो चेयरमैन नैब है वो प्रेसिडेंट अपॉइंट करेगा विद कंसल्टेशन विद PM एंड अपोजिशन लीडर फॉर 4 years, और जो टेन्योर होगा उनका 4 years होगा. और अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस ऑर्डिनेंस चेयरमैन नैब कैन बी रीअपॉइंटेड. NAB Amendment Ordinance 2021 issued on 6 October